All right, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about compositions with inverse trigonometric functions. So we're going to start by, again, reviewing or just recalling certain properties of functions, inverse functions. So for all, remember, for all x in the domain, right, for f of x and f inverse, right? So for all x in the domain, okay, we know that that these two functions have these two properties, right? So if we take f circle f inverse of x, which is equal to f of f inverse of x equals x. And f inverse circle f of x is equal to f inverse of f of x also equals x. Okay. So with that, we have these properties. Okay. So if x is from -1 to 1, and y goes from negative power over 2 to power over 2, then we have this. Right? And we have that. Actually, be more consistent. Why? Now, if x is between -1 and 1, or goes from -1 to 1, and y goes from 0 to pi, then we have this relationship. Okay, so we can take the composition of those two functions and they hold. And then finally, if x is a real number, and y goes from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2, then we have the following relationship properties hold. Now keep in mind that these inverse properties do not apply for arbitrary values of x and y. Okay, so again, remember the restriction on the domain. Okay, so if we go outside the domain, these properties do not hold. So just keep that in mind. Always check the domain. Make sure that you're in the domain of each one of these functions, whether it's arcsine, arccosine, or arctangent.